It is very well said by former Prime Minister Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee that सत्ता का खेल तो चलेगा, सरकारें आएंगी जाएंगी, पार्टियां बनेंगी बिगड़ेंगी, मगर ये देश रहना चाहिए, इस देश का लोकतंत्र रहना चाहिए. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is Atindra Barik standing before you to address a topic that echoes to the corridors of our mind and streets of our country. One nation, one election, paving the way to Viksit Bharat. As we all know, every great transformation begins with imagination. So dear ladies and gentlemen, imagine a country where governance is stable, where political parties focus on development rather than constant campaigning, and where elections unite rather than divide. If we can imagine it, we can create it. This visionary idea of one nation, one election is not just about voting on the same day. It is about reshaping our democracy for efficiency, growth, and national unity. This concept aims to synchronize all the elections across the country, ensuring that Lok Sabha and state assembly elections happen simultaneously. My dear ladies and gentlemen, this idea is not new. This idea was implemented by India till 1967, but due to political instability, it led to disruption. Today, reviewing this system for the Viksit Bharat vision is very crucial. Now, why nation need one election? First of all, it will streamline the governance and reduce the policy paralysis, that is the model code of conduct. Secondly, it will also reduce the electoral cost. For instance, in 2019, the Lok Sabha election went as watershed election because the expenditure was rupees 55,000 crore from rupees 9,000 crore in 1998. Thirdly, it will also enhance the voters' engagement and obviously optimize utilization of government officials and security forces. As we all know, in every war challenges arises, but these challenges, these obstacles are not roadblocks. These are the stepping stones toward greatness. While one nation, one election is promising, but implementing it requires several constitutional amendments such as Article 35, 83, 172, 256 and consensus from the various political parties. While the logistical challenges can be addressed through advanced technological use of AI and effective electoral planning or adopting the Estonia's 2005 digital voting model. As India aspires to become Viksit Bharat by 2047, this one nation, one election has the potential to be a catalyst in this progress. As Dr. Ambedkar once said, democracy is not a form of government, it is a way of life. So let us work together to build a Bharat which is sustainable, economical sustainable and environmental sustainable and be a part of this Viksit Bharat. That's all. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.